saying nothing.
My shit, they wouldn't even understand it.
Yeah, that shit fat up.
Right. It was worth the wait.
I swear to God, it was.
Yeah.
I'm talking my shit, but shit. You must have put your own for this motherfucker. Like,
Right.
this bitch soft.
I put it down.
You did. This bitch soft, guys. You want to say?
Come out for the show.
Don't you wipe your mouth? We got all that
No,
shit on
this is
you.
what goodness look like. This is what goodness look like. A mess. Chicken. I don't got a napkin, but we'll get it together with him, man.
God damn.
I got a napkin. Toast.
Oh my God. I see why they had to be so big on the motherfucking blogs. Just be eating and running and shit, and shit like that. With lemonade like this,
Yeah.
You can suck anything there.
Hell no.
I'm serious. You can just suck anything there. They're like, with that type of lemonade. After you eat, you know what I'm saying, or whatever your bite is. Huh?
What you got in the mouth?
Huh?
You say you can eat anything?
Yeah.
No, I'm trying.
God don't like guggy.
No, I'm not trying to keep up.
What you mean?
I'm just trying to keep up.
Keep up.
Keep up with the Jones.
Okay, you jogging Alfredo on your titty.
Yeah.
Don't get banned off of this. Stop. Don't get banned on this one, stupid.
I'm gonna try to know how to own time go. But I probably gonna go down there though. I ain't no avatar. Jump up over there packing.
Oh my God. I feel full right now.
Yeah.
Man. I'm talking about just off of that and the salad though. Like I ain't even eat all my salad, but I need a little more. But God damn, that shit is fine.
Thank you. I know that's how you can say it.
I'm telling you.
Wow. This will make a blind man see.
I'm talking about see everything.
They will see him.
That nigga see embryo on the wall. He look up, he see embryo on the wall and say,
True life. That's the bacon right there on the chicken. The broccoli nice and soft.
Oh my God.
Melt in your mouth, not in your hand. Don't play with it.
Oh, not in your mouth. Not in your hand, baby.
All this over here. No. What you got? Jabba. Jabba. Jabba.
Jabba do?
Jabba do.
Oh my God.
This type of them that you don't want to get nobody know.
I swear to God, you better not.
But like, don't go on that refrigerator. You barely go get a cup when dinner comes.
Everything.
I'm gonna make sure you stop at the line. Take your time. Right. Take your time. After half, eat, take another sip. Yeah. Period. That's that woo.
I get you. I'm getting me another little cup.
I know. That be your last step.
I know, right?
I know.
I know you just said.
No, I know you'll drink a Kool-Aid too.
You say what?
You will drink a Kool-Aid. Remember, I mentioned a while back ago you was there.
What? What are you saying? I can't even hear you.
Yeah, you don't want to hear me, though.
I can't hear you. You sound like a crackhead right now.
I'm saying crackhead, and what are you?
No, I ain't saying it like that. I'm just saying, you're talking with your mouth full. That sound like a dead crackhead.
Man, child, you sound like them people.
I know. I just sound like crackhead, too, when I was eating. I feel too damn good. All I can say is, I had a real true crack rock. That's all I can say is,
My back
cracker? Oh yeah. I heard something too. Yeah. Might come through.
Any, meeny, miny, mo.
Might come through the window. Huh?
I'm not gonna come through my phone window. Man, gonna come through the front door. He gonna come through the window.
What other man?
My old man.
That's
That's
okay.
What's terrible? No, couldn't give you a good meal and Kool-Aid.
Oh, shit.
Yeah,
I
it's
can decide myself.
You might well just give you some dog food.
Shut up. I'm a dog too, this shit.
You don't want to be right.
This shit fine out. We need some croutons with this, though.
I had some.
That's all we need. Some
I gotta put some on your. Oh, my bad.
It's okay.
I can do it.
It's okay.
I had some.
Some croutons or some.
Yeah, it got some croutons in there. Sometimes. Now, you got it up, and you would send the light.
Just give me the light.
Excuse me, y'all. Excuse me, Daddy. Fresh year on. So, pretty much everybody that you took, can you honestly say that you had some meat in it?
Yes.
Okay. Nice bite-sized meat, right?
Everything to the salad, too, was fine.
Okay.
I know it's going to hold up with my stomach later, though.
I know. I got VIP.
I know you can't eat greens.
I got VIP in the bathroom.
Me too, but I'm saying like me.
I know.
And sometimes I can't eat greens at night. Or salad. Sometimes you eat good salad. You get the motherfucker running through your ass. I'm serious. Salad get to running through your ass at night. You eat it after 9 o'clock. Yeah, I'm telling you, you're gonna be in the dirt. You're gonna be unsworted by 12.
Yeah, well, it might be on 12 before them.
Right.
Yeah, mix with this.
That's good though. I ain't gonna stop.
Oh, yeah.
Everybody damn near.
Oh, yeah. I'm asking if I go ahead and try. Oh, hell no. Somebody called 911.
Hold on now.
Watch your mouth. Why?
Okay. Well, you don't care. You What's wrong?
Excuse me, Jackie.
What are you on?
Regular, I'm recording. That's all. I ain't like on nothing live.
That bad enough for everything else. Or the motherfucker put on Jamaican dresses and shit.
There you go.
Yeah, I'm telling you the truth. Fuck you want to put on Jamaican dresses, but then you put on 2 of them. Then you put a glitter and gold on. That's why I agree with that. So stupid ass.
Yo, stupid ass. We
put a glitter and gold on.
The repo. Okay. Well, you guys, I'm just totally blown.
That shit good as hell.
I mean,
oh my God.
This is it. This is it. I swear this is.
I swear this is one of the real meals.
A real meal.
That'll get you full. Kool-Aid good in the spot. All you need right now is a blunt or a black.
This is knocking the bullets out of them.
Scrub for you.
I'm
saying you need a blunt,
a
black, or a scrub. You know what I'm saying? For me, you know what I'm saying? You know what
yeah.
I'm saying? And that'll soothe the whole moment right now.
What, you got one?
I got some weed.
You got that smoke, that gorilla.
I got that blunt though.
So.
We ain't got no black yet.
No.
Damn. Got one.
You just been loving, standing out. It's good.
Motherfucking
Dedicated. Like, share, and subscribe.
I swear. That shit fine.
Okay.